Hello everyone, this is Pooja Parik, PGT English from Central Academy Senior Secondary School, Bapu Nagar, Bhilpada. Dear students, we are starting the third chapter of Flamingo book, Deep Water. The author of this chapter is William Douglas, and at the start of the chapter, there is one paragraph in which brief account of the introduction of the author is given here, that he was a graduate with a bachelor's of arts in English and economics. He spent 2 years teaching high school in Yakima. Dear students, you should know that Yakima is the name of a city in Washington where he was living at that time. However, he got tired of this profession and then he decided to pursue a legal career. And then finally, he became a leading advocate of individual rights. He retired in 1975 with a term lasting 36 years and remains the longest serving justice in the history of the court. The following excerpt or the text is taken from Of Men and Mountains, which is written by William Douglas himself. It reveals how, as a young boy, William Douglas nearly drowned in a swimming pool. In this essay, he talks about his fear of water and thereafter how he finally overcame it. It means in this essay, we have a detailed description of the fear of William Douglas, the reason of his fear, and finally how did he overcome this fear. And to give this kind of detail very elaborately, the author has discussed here using autobiographical element to make we readers understand better about the personal experience of fear of a person, that is author himself. Now at the start of the text again, we have been given here on the first page, there are some words and phrases, and children, we should know the meaning of these words and phrases. First is treacherous, means dangerous. Second is subdued my pride, it means overcame my pride. Flailed at the surface means floated at the surface. Fishing for landlocked salmon means fishing for fresh fish which is eatable. Misadventure means mishappening. Next, bob to the surface like a cork. It means to reach in an easy manner to the surface of some liquid just like a cork. When there is a force applied by a spring, so very easily a light weighted thing just like a cork reaches to the surface of the liquid. So bob to the surface of some liquid, maybe the surface of the water just like a cork. Curtain of life fell, it means the situation of death. Back and forth across the pool, it means to go from one end towards the another end of the pool. Then the first paragraph we are starting here, children, pay attention. It had happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. I had decided to learn to swim. The author is writing here that it had happened with him. It means that something had happened with him, about what he is going to give us the detail, that at that time his age was only 10 or 11 years, and he decided at that time that he would learn to swim when he was at the age of 10 or 11. And then he decided that he would go to a pool which was in Yakima, and that pool was at the YMCA in Yakima city. YMCA means Yakima Men's Club Association, which was there in Yakima city, that offered exactly the opportunity. What kind of opportunity? Opportunity to learn to swim. And because that place was quite safe for author and for anyone else, so he decided to go there and to learn to swim. The Yakima river was treacherous. It means the Yakima river was very dangerous. So what the author wants to suggest us, that Yakima river was dangerous, but YMCA, the association which was there, and near to that association there was a pool that was safe to swim. Mother of author was continually warning him that the river was very dangerous and he should not go near to that. And this thing kept fresh in his mind the details of each drowning in the river. So whenever there was a drowning, the detail of each drowning was given to the author by the mother, and because of that his mind was completely updated by each and every drowning. But the YMCA pool was very safe to have a practice of swimming. So he decided to go there. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep. It means the pool was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end, and while it was 9 feet deep at the other. The drop was gradual. It means the slope was gradual. Here the slope is discussed regarding the slope of the surface of the pool. That was very gradual. It means that was not steep. That was gradual. And at one side the depth was of 3 feet, whereas at the other side the depth was of 9 feet. And then it is discussed here by the author that he got a pair of water wings to go into the water, and he went to the pool. So he went to the pool with the water wings so that he could be supported by the help of the water wings. Because of those water wings he could not get scared of water, and if he was feeling that he was going to drown, then he could have confidence that he had the water wings with him, and he was not going to drown in the water, because children often wear these kinds of water wings whenever they go into the water to learn to swim. Then children, on the next page we have been given the route of Yakima River and the map over here, which is suggesting us that how it is flowing in the city, and then next to the city where it is moving. At the corner of the page there is a box where it is written there that the Yakima River is a tributary of the Columbia River in eastern Washington. The state is named after indigenous Yakama people. So this thing is suggesting us that the pool is named after the name of these people, that is Yakama.